Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In today's video, we will learn about the draft analysis of doghouse. So as we know, a doghouse is a plastic engineering feature which has two surfaces, one is outside surfaces and other is inside surfaces. You can see here in the CAD also. To check whether the complete doghouse feature is manufacturable or not, for that we will perform draft analysis, and for performing that we need to have two sets of tooling axis or neutral planes. So a draft analysis is done to check manufacturing or tooling feasibility of a plastic part. Tooling axis are just imaginary lines which are created normal to the plane of sketch. So let's begin with it. We need to do draft analysis of doghouse for both direction as shown in the picture. In Solidworks, while performing the draft analysis, we need to select plane as input to give direction of pull, which means the tooling direction. Now, here we can select the top surface or the top plane to perform draft analysis and with a draft angle of 3 degrees. On clicking the plane, we notice 3 colors. Green color means positive draft angle, blue color means negative draft, and red color means 0 draft angle. As you can see here, all outer surface of doghouse is showing up green color, which is okay. Similarly, we will click on front plane or the front straight surface of the doghouse to check for the lifter direction with a draft angle of 1 degree. In short, lifter is a block of steel and part of plastic mold mechanism which gives the shape to the interior surface of the doghouse. Upon clicking on the front straight surface, all the interior surface are coming in green color. That's it. Draft analysis shows green color surface of the doghouse with respect to both direction. Our design of doghouse is perfect. Always remember that we need to check the doghouse design for both set of tooling direction. That's all for today's video. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, seeing you the next video.